the not so lucky green Air Jordan 1s. Man, let's talk about them. YouTube family, what is going on with y'all, man? Once again, we are back for yet another video, man. We are keeping it on topic to this week's release with this one, man. Today we'll be talking about some Air Jordan 1 things, man, because if you do know, we do have a release of a Air Jordan 1 that is releasing this upcoming Saturday, April 15th. I want to say April 15th is the date, retailing at 180 price. We got the Air Jordan 1, not so lucky, but funny stuff to the side, man. This is the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Greens, and this shoe is a nice shoe in my opinion. However, man, I feel like I've seen this shoe a lot of different times, man. We about to dive right into that here shortly. Before we do, if this is y'all first time stopping through, man, glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy Jay, man. I need for y'all to stick around. How you do that is you smash that subscribe button down below, as well as hit that notification bell. And all the members of the fam, if you do not have that notification bell rung, man, go ahead and do that for your boy Jay. That's all I ask from y'all, man. Make sure y'all sub up, hit that like button, man, so the videos can get out there, man. That's y'all way of showing support to your boy Jay, so that I can keep continuing giving y'all this content, man. So real quick, scroll down, hit that like button, thumbs up for the content, you know what I'm saying. And real quick, I gotta let y'all know, my apologies from the video from yesterday. I did say that shoe will be releasing or restocking on Friday, April 14th, and that was incorrect. The countdown was saying you have that many days to vote. A lot of y'all brought it to my attention. I guess I was looking over it too fast, but hey, I gotta let y'all know when y'all right and when I'm wrong, man. So clarify that real quick. If y'all checked out my last video, correction from your boy Jay. So I will keep y'all up to date though on when the lost and founds, if it does happen, and when I do hear about it happening, I will keep y'all update on that, man. But thank y'all for all the feedback on that video. I see y'all running those likes up, man. If they get to 2,000 likes, like I said, I will hit y'all with the on feet of the Setsabun Nike Dunks, man. So appreciate that, man. But other than that, today, like I did say, we will be talking about Lucky Greens, as well as another upcoming Air Jordan 1 that I think is gonna be the one. No pun intended, man, but let's dive right into it. So real quick intermission, y'all, man. If you guys do have any beat up, trashed up shoes that you think there's no hope for, hey, man, there's hope, man. You guys need to check out the Sneaker Sanctuary over on their website, man. They also do have an Instagram page, man. What they do, they turn them beaters back into some clean new looking shoes, man. They do have different packages. So what the process is that, you know, you select the package that you want, whether it is the beginning one, the advanced, and of course the ultimate. I think that's what it is, the ultimate package, man. So of course the ultimate will be the most advanced deep clean of your shoes. So you pick one of those packages, they will send you out a shipping label, you ship it out to them, they'll go ahead and get that thing looking A1 for you, ship it right back out to you. Everything is insured, so y'all don't have to worry about it. And if you have more than one shoe, that probably might be the best way to go, because it will save you money the more shoes that you do sending them, man. And they will get it clean. As you can see some of the photos right there, man, like them shoes was beat until they went to the Sneaker Sanctuary, man. So definitely check them out, man. I do have a link for them down below in the description. Make sure you check that out. Use that. Take advantage of that, man, because when you think your shoes are done, it's over with. It's you know what I'm saying? There's hope. There's hope. So definitely check out the Sneaker Sanctuary. Tell them that your boy Jay sent you over there, man, and hit that link down below in the description. They do have a promo code that will save you on your first order, man. So if you want to send 3 shoes out on your first order, you might save better doing it that way, man. But check it out. Everything is linked down below in the description. Turn them beaters back into some clean looking new prestige shoes, man. Sneaker Sanctuary, man. Get at them. Bang! Ooh, laces done popped out. But here we go right here, man. We got the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Greens, which does, you know, come after. They didn't really officially say it, but I think it's after those DMP, the Celtic Jordan 1s. Of course, it does have that similar look, green laces, all that good stuff, man. This shoe is set to release this upcoming weekend, this Saturday. And today, man, if you guys do not know, Finish Line JD Sports, they did do exclusive, like, early EA access on these to say where you can reserve a pair. And bruh, nobody wanted them, bruh. I did get the exclusive access. Of course, I didn't double up or anything on them, but when I did check in there, every size was available. No size, up to the last point of me looking at it, every size was available, man. So I'm gonna say it again, man. Actually, I'm gonna play it, the clip of what my prediction was of this shoe, and then I'm gonna let y'all know right after I say it. Roll that clip. If you take a look at those prices right now, they kind of high, man. Will they go down? Will they stay up, man? We'll just have to wait and see. I think real quick, y'all should wait, be patient, do not rush to buy them, do not pay that resale price, because you might end up taking the L at the end. Unless you're gonna throw them on today, tomorrow, like right now, go ahead, pull the trigger if you got it like that. But if you're not gonna throw them on anytime soon and you know, you just want the shoe, wait till they release. I think you'll be able to get these for right around retail or somewhere close to the price that you can get yellow taxis for, man. So that is just my insight, my 2 cents on the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green. And once again, I'm standing on it, y'all. I don't think that this shoe will sell out, man. It is a great looking shoe. However, I think I know what's going on, man. As far as when it comes to Jordan 1s, it's no secret, but they've been flooding the market. And let me know y'all feedback. I need y'all to comment down below. Let me know if you agree with me or if, you know what I'm saying, you're thinking different. Let me know what y'all think about this thought. But what I'm thinking is, you know, first of all, we got to keep it a buck, bro. Jordan brand, Nike, y'all are getting a little bit too greedy. When it comes to, of course, the Jordan, I mean, all over, man. Every silhouette, that's how y'all do. Whenever something sells, y'all try to flood the market with all type of colorways of that certain shoe. But back to the topic at hand, the Air Jordan 1, right? So the Air Jordan 1s, popular shoe 4 or 5 years ago, going crazy in resale, all that. While that was all happening, you guys rolled out the Air Jordan 1 lows. Bang! I happen to have a very clean pair right here, man. So this is the new type of Air Jordan 1 low, the new form of Air Jordan 1 lows. So take a look at them right here, man. So you guys did about 3 years ago, 2 to 3 years ago, started rolling out the Air Jordan 1 lows that looked like this one, not the OG, this one, right? These picked up a little bit of traction like a year or so, a year and a half into, I want to say maybe a year and a half into it, you guys raised up the price. These we retailing at $90, man. Now you're starting to see these go for around $120 to $130. But when these first released, they were $90. Your boy Jay was all over it. Check back the videos. Hey, the history doesn't lie, man. But I was on these when they was $90. They upped the price since then from $100 to $110 to $120. Now we possibly might be seeing these at $130. With that being said, they rolled out the lows. Then we started seeing Air Jordan 1 mids. I don't got a mid to show y'all right now that's this color, but y'all get what I'm saying. So they started rolling out the mids, right? Mids have been around for years, but they've been pushing them way more than ever. But started rolling out the mids. So now we got a flooded market of just Air Jordan 1s in general, between lows, mids, and highs. Not only that, man, I think what's spoiling good, great colorways such as this Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green is nowadays, every time we get a Air Jordan 1 high OG that looks like, you know, a decent colorway or whatnot, they have now started rolling out Air Jordan 1 lows that look pretty much identical to the high top shoe. In the midst of that, they're gonna roll out an Air Jordan 1 mid that looks pretty similar to the high top colorway that's coming out. So you got these 3 shoes that are all similar in different ways, and I think that that is a big reason why, you know, shoes such as these, the high tops Jordan 1s, are starting to just get watered down and fade away. Because how could y'all, you know what I'm saying, release a Jordan 1 low and a Jordan 1 mid that looks pretty much the same as the high top? And you know what I'm saying, it really takes from the high top shoe. And a lot of people are like, I'm gonna just go ahead and grab the lows, I'm gonna grab the mids, because I already know the highs is gonna be pretty much impossible to cop. So with all that being said, the mids and the lows will drop prior to the highs. So by that time, they already got their lows, they already got their mids. I don't care about the highs, man. I don't care about the highs. So I think that that is playing a big factor. It's hurting the Jordan 1 highs, in my opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that, man. But I think them coming out with lows, mids, perfect example. Bang! Perfect example, man. So of course you got very subtle differences between the 2 shoes, but bruh, they not that much different, bro. So you do got a lower Air Jordan 1 low true blue. This did release, and I mean, this isn't exactly the low that was made for this shoe. There is another Air Jordan 1 low that looks more identical to the high top than this shoe does. This was more of just a true blue based off the Air Jordan 3. But even just me having these, that's why I'm showing y'all. Look at the similarities between these two, man. So it's like, how do you create, you know what I'm saying, such a dope color blocking, and then you know what I'm saying, imitate it on a low, and they do have a mid-top version, man. So that is my just thought, my you know what I'm saying, hypotheses, as I always say, on why the Air Jordan 1 is now starting to get watered down. And there's an upcoming Jordan 1 that I think, you know what I'm saying, it could be that one, like I mentioned during the intro. Bang! The Air Jordan 1 UNC toe, man. So fire shoe, man. I think that shoe will be one of the better Air Jordan 1 high selling shoes of this year. I think that'll probably be like top 2. Of course, the OG, the 85, the white and black joints, that's gonna be up there. I think that's 1 and 2. UNC toes and those, and I'm forgetting, pardon me, that's top 5. Because I forgot about Z Sneakerheads just broke the news today about the Royal Reimagines that's supposed to be releasing, I want to say in November. I'm not too sure if that's gonna be a leather or a nubuck upper, man. However, it's still gonna be up there, you know, it's an OG colorway. So I think that shoe is gonna do well as well. So I think all these shoes is gonna be top 5. Of course, we do got the women's breads. The are they satin breads, I want to say, that it's releasing, man. So all those shoes top 5 in my opinion. But back to those UNC toes, bro, like come on, man. As you can see, I don't even know if y'all noticed, that is 2 different shoes in that picture. You might gotta look at it for a second in order for it to process, but that's 2 different shoes. You do have the Obsidian Air Jordan 1s, and you do have that UNC toe in that picture, and it's like that's bruh, we've seen it before, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not that big of a difference from a past release shoe to make people who have those OG shoes go out and get them. Somebody like myself, of course, I'm a Jordan 1 lover. UNC is my favorite color, so definitely must cop for me. But everybody's not thinking like me, and everybody is not, you know what I'm saying, hate to say it, but fortunate. Everybody's not in a situation to do those things. A lot of y'all tell me that the economy's messed up. I believe y'all already know what's going on, and people are not spending like that, man. So it's like, bro, when you come out with things like this, it's like, bro, we already seen it, we already have it, it looks too close to this. So that is watering down, you know what I'm saying, the Jordan 1s. But I do still think that UNC toe is gonna be a top seller when it comes to the Air Jordan 1s of this year, man. But when it comes to these, I don't think they gonna make no noise, man, because even with these, come on, bruh, come on. And I would argue that these are the better looking shoe out of the 2, man. And it's like, look at this, look at this, look at this, me doing this, bruh. Can y'all tell? Like, it look like I got one of the same pairs of shoes right here, other than the green toes. Or really, bruh, it could be the same shoe, just like the gold toes, man. The what were the I forgot what gold toe it was, but it did have the 2 different toe boxes. But this looked like it could be literally one shoe right here, man. So it's like, bruh, too close, man. And we've seen it before, man. But with all that being said, that's enough rambling about my thoughts about why the Air Jordan 1s is doing what it's doing right now. Let's get these up out of here. But talking about some upcoming shoes, man, the Air Jordan 1 Union, they did break out the newest colorway of that shoe, and I'm gonna have to wait to see that shoe on hand, man. But it's another Air Jordan 1 on the way. I do not get what the woven type of laced up, like stitched up look throughout the whole shoe is, but it is what it is, man. Like I said, I want to wait to see that in hand. But when you come from like 2 masterpieces like this, it's like, bruh, just switch up the colorway. I think we would have been cool with getting one of those sample colorways that they were supposed to release back when they released those, man. I think that would have been dope. Give us one of those colorways. But they kind of revamped and did some deconstruction of the shoe, man. But hey, bro, whatever floats y'all boat, man. But that is all I wanted to talk to y'all about, man. Just give y'all some thoughts and my opinion on what's going on with the Jordan 1, man. Because like I did say, we do have the Lucky Greens releasing this week. If you haven't checked out the early look, check that out, man. I should have the reviewing on feet with the lace swap up for y'all tomorrow. I know y'all probably ain't gonna watch it because nobody wants the Lucky Greens, is what it's seeming like if they were sitting like that. But hey, who knows, man, somebody's gonna want to watch it. But other than that, man, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Check out the Sneaker Sanctuary, man. Get them beaters cleaned up, and yeah, man, feel safe doing so, man. Your boy Jay is checking out. I will see y'all on the next video. Y'all stay blessed till tomorrow, man. Peace.